Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Gala. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows. Multiple rejections acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we can notice is our monthly swing high here. And we can also go ahead and plot our monthly swing low. So these are the highest and lowest points that the candle bodies have closed. Now we also notice a key level right here where we see price come down, hit, and reverse a little bit, acting as support before breaking through. So let's go ahead and hop to the weekly so we can see this more clearly. Now here on the weekly, we can go ahead and plot our weekly swing high and always color coordinate our key levels to the time frame we're working in. Now we can also notice a key level here where price came down, hit, acting as support before breaking through. And we notice a key level right here where we see a reaction from price acting as support. And as price hit, reversed, we see a reaction as resistance. Now we can notice here a key level of support with multiple reactions. Now if we look here, we see price reacted to the same key level. And just below it, we see a reaction here too. But we're going to go ahead and plot a key level right here. As we can see, price came down, multiple reactions acting as support. Before price broke through, we see a reaction here acting as resistance, and we see reactions here acting as resistance. Now this is the most recent point of resistance, so we can go ahead and plot this on the chart. Now, these are all of our key levels plotted on the weekly and monthly charts. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.